Hello again. We are in StoreDot getting ready for your interview as an engineer you would like to get so much. In order to make sure this is going to be the case, I would like to discuss the three major aspects of any system: structure, behavior, and function. Let's take the electric car as an example. The system structure pertains to what the system is, what are the parts or components of the system, and what the static, time-independent relations among them are. In our coffee-making system example, the coffee-making system is the coffee machine. Its main parts are the water tank, milk frother, water heater, capsule compartment, cup holder, and operating button. An example of a structural relation is the connection between the coffee machine and the capsule compartment. This relation is time-independent. It is persistent over time and does not change. The system's behavior pertains to how the system operates. What are the processes and sub-processes that happen in the system, and what the dynamic time-dependent relations among them and the objects they transform are. In our coffee-making system example, coffee making is the main process. It consumes water, milk, and an intact capsule and yields a coffee drink in a cup. The main sub-processes are water heating, milk frothing, coffee brewing, and milk adding. These sub-processes are related to each other by time. Some happen sequentially while others in parallel. Obviously, the behavioral aspect of the system is dynamic and time-dependent. Finally, the function of an artificial human-made system pertains to what for or why the system operates the way it does. What was the underlying motivation for developing the system? Who are the system beneficiaries? What value does each beneficiary get from the system's operation? In our coffee-making system example, the beneficiaries include the coffee drinker, the coffee maker, and the machine manufacturer who benefits from selling those machines. The simplest aspect of the system to understand is its structure. This is the what of the system, what the system consists of, and what the fixed relations between its parts are. Our system consists of an electric car, which in turn is comprised of a chassis, steering wheel, an electric battery, and a computer network for internal and external communication. Of course, there are other parts, and all of them are physical. Additionally, the car also includes informatical objects, such as the various software modules installed on the car's computer network, which control its operations and communicate with its environment. These objects are connected with an aggregation participation link. Electric car is the whole object. It aggregates all the other objects. Here is what the structure of the car operating system looks like in OPM. The second aspect of every system is its behavior. This is the how of the system, how it operates and how it and its various parts change over time. We call the main process electric car operating, and it consists of car charging, car starting, and car driving. These processes are connected with aggregation participation links. Electric car operating consists of other processes. This is what the system's behavior looks like in OPM. So, what is the system's function? It is the why of the system. What is the operation of the system? Its main process, and on what main object does it operate? The combination of the system structure with its behavior is the function of the system. This structure-behavior combination determines what we call the system architecture. Back to the electric car operating system, we can say that its main function is to transition the state of electric car from stopped to in movement. Of course, the car has other states in addition to these two, for example, charged or parked, But for now, we are trying to keep the model as simple as possible. The main function of the system is a combination of its main object with its main process, with both connected using a transformation link. So in our system, the electric car has two states, stopped and in movement. Please get in the car and let's drive to our next destination. We have one more lesson before the interview. Come on, Hopcat, hop in, we're in a hurry.
An OPM model is a conceptual model that uses objects, processes, and relations among them to represent the structure, behavior, and function of a system at various levels of detail in a unified model expressed in both graphics and text. The structure of a system is its form, the assembly of its physical and informatical components, along with the long-lasting relations among them. Main object, the operand of the system, the object which is transformed. The behavior of a system is its dynamics, the way the system changes over time by transforming objects. Main process, the process which transforms the main object or the operand of the system. Main function of a system is the combination of the main object and main process of the system. In a human-made system, the function is what provides the benefit to the system's beneficiary.